In this video, you'll learn how to delete a lock screen wallpaper on iOS 16. This is a quick and easy process that anyone can do. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps, and you'll have your wallpaper deleted in no time. To get started, unlock your iPhone using either Face ID or Touch ID, and once unlocked, do not exit the lock screen. Simply tap and hold the lock screen until you see the lock screen customization option. And now you can swipe through and see all of your lock screen wallpapers. Just find the wallpaper that you want to delete and then swipe up on that lock screen wallpaper just like this, and a trash can icon will appear. So in order to delete a lock screen wallpaper, simply tap on that trash can icon and then tap on Delete this wallpaper. And now you have successfully deleted a lock screen wallpaper on iOS 16. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.